Hey there, welcome to Making Money You, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a second YouTube channel with the same email address. So if you go one email address and you want to create a multiple YouTube channel, you want to create 2 channel, 3 channel, 4 channel, the same email address, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy and simple. By the way, welcome to my channel. My name is Mivumbi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a second YouTube channel with the same email address. So let's start. Now, if you go your YouTube channel, this is your YouTube channel. Come here to customize channel. So when you get here, click to here. Let's have a look here. You come here to setting. Now you see here setting. You click setting here. When you click setting, this one will pop up, and then you come and you click channel. When you get here, come and you click advanced setting, scroll down, and when you come here, when you come down here, manage your YouTube account. When you click here, come scroll down here, and you find here add or manage your channels. So click there, add channel. When you add channel, so let's say here, maybe you might call this let's say learning business. So this is our channel. You accept the term and condition, you create your account, your YouTube channel. So you put your telephone number here, and then you click continue. Right, when you click continue, I put the code. Let me wait the code. Right, see now I've got my new YouTube account. So it's the same email address, but now if we go back, you can see I have 3. Right, so if I come here, add and manage your channel, I should be able to see this. Voila. Now you can see now I got, this is the channel we just started. This is the new channel. So if I click there, voila, this is our new channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is Mivumbi from Making Money You. Until next time, take care. Bye.